Yeah, just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr.
Hoon.
Hun.
Yeah. That's my last name.
Hun?
Yeah.
Hun.
Hoon. That's my last name. My first name is Su-Tang.
Shita?
Su-Tang.
Sutang.
Sutang?
Un.
Hindi mo yung pronounce Sutang. You can pronounce your name. That's why we are You can pronounce your name.
Yeah, you
Su-Tang?
Su-Tang.
Sutang.
Yeah, Su